Happy New Year and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare these delicious thick pork chops in the oven. They look great, but they're not. They are actually roasted in the oven. So come with me, my friends, and let me show you guys how to prepare these delicious thick pork chops. Now these pork chops are really thick. Of course, that's what they call them, thick pork chops, my friends. So I'm gonna go ahead actually, and we're gonna season these really well. And I am gonna actually marinate my pork chop for, I want to say, a good 4 or 5 hours. And if you can do this at least a day ahead, that would be nice as well. So we got the garlic powder, we have onion powder. I have lots of salt here. I also have lemon, and I'm going to use some lemon zest as well. Then I also have here some oregano. I'm going to put some oregano and my favorite garlic, lots of garlic. And we have some black pepper. This is key right here. We want to make sure that our pork chops are really dry. That way, all these deliciousness of ingredients are just going to stick to the pork chop. I'm gonna go ahead and season this actually on both sides, and then I'm gonna marinate for 4 to 5 hours. Again, this is key, marinating these thick pork chop because they are very thick. Marinating these for a bit. I do suggest, if you want to do this at least a day ahead, that will be perfect as well. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate my pork chops on both sides, and I'm not being shy with the salt because I'm not gonna marinate my pork chop for too long, 4 to 5 hours. Again, these are thick pork chops, and I want to make sure my pork chops are well seasoned. This is what you want your pork chops to look like. Do not be shy with the seasoning. This is infused in garlic, and I also did some lemon zest. This is going to give this thick pork chops such a delicious flavor. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerators for 4 hours. It's been 4 hours, so let's get this beautiful thick pork chops in the oven. I'm going to be using a baking dish rack. I also have my skillet because we are going to sear these pork chops. I'm going to be using a little bit of oil, and I am going to do about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. My cooktop temperature is medium high. I'm going to also preheat my oven at 375. Let's do this, my friends. It's been about 4 minutes. So I actually gave my pork chops 4 minutes. You can do 3 to 4. I did 4 here on my end. And this is what you want. This is perfection right here. Now look how beautiful these pork chops all look. They are ready to go in the oven. Remember, I preheated my oven at 375, and these are going to roast for 45 minutes. And that's all you need, my friends, 45 minutes. Our pork chops are almost ready. It's been 45 minutes, but the key with this is we have to let these sit for a good 5 minutes before serving. So I'm going to cover them with some foil paper and be patient because it's going to be worth it. How easy was this? I have a big smile on my face. As you all know, my videos are pre-recorded, and all I can think of is how juicy and delicious these pork chops were. My friends, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, bye-bye.